It's Chewy's on the beat.
Bulldozer, you're my bulldozer.
Flourish! Flourish! You are here? And you're all dressed up.
Can I not look good in my husband's outfit?
You can. Please, I'm running late there. I'll see you when I come back.
Wait. Just like that.
What is it?
What about the money you promised?
Flourish, how many times will I tell you that there is no money?
William, don't do that with me. Don't let me start with you this morning. Don't even let them hear my voice and your own this morning. What's that? How can I be married to somebody that is working and yes, it's always broke?
Why do you raise your voice at me?
Because I need money. As you can see, I'm all dressed. I need to go to the supermarket to get my
You were not like this when I married you.
Were you like this when I married you? Were you like this when I married you? When you start giving all your money to small girls, I need that money, 20,000 naira, please.
See, I'm not in the mood for this your drama this morning.
I am not either.
Please.
Just don't walk out of your way. It's what I wanted to with them. You will not say good this morning.
O amor, onye kam ga koro. Iju amor, onye kam ga koro. Chukwu kike simu olilanya. Olilanya osino ga diri mumma. O amor.
Young man.
Yes, sir?
You're just coming to work by this time.
No, sir. See, I can explain very much, sir. See, I can explain.
What do you want to explain? What do you want to explain?
I misplaced my wallet and I trekked all the way from my house to this place, sir.
Wonderful.
Please, sir. I'm so sorry.
Eh?
Yes, and again, I have family issues.
You have family issues?
Yes, sir.
So you now make your family, with your family issues, you made me lose 14 million naira.
I am so sorry.
You are sorry. So sorry we give you back 14 million naira.
Sir,
do you know what? Just start going home and go and treat your family issues. Go and take care of your family issues from here.
I am begging you from the depth of my heart.
Leave the depth of your heart. Go inside there, pick your decks, and wait, you don't even have a desk. You are just an ordinary marketer. Young man,
Sir,
leave.
please, I want to...
Secure!
Sir, please.
Do you want... I will do it manually if you don't leave.
Machukwu okike simuwe olilanya o. Olilanya osino ga diri mumma o. Eziokwu amam no ga diri mumma.
Williams, so you left this house without giving me the money I asked for. Williams, since you want public disgrace, I'm coming to your office. I will disgrace you publicly. You'll be giving your money to all these small girls. Can I even give me money for food, Abi?
Stop. Calm down, everybody, calm down. Calm down. Identify yourself.
This one carry that.
Okay, calm down now. What's in the happen? You know that.
Stop pushing him. I don't understand.
Softly they push me. Softly they push me. You don't know me. You don't know me. Who are you?
Young man, what do you do?
We are comedians. We're hard-working youths.
Why? Okay, what's happening now? What's happening now? I don't understand. Those can't be this one now. Shut up! What's be this one now? Okay, see, no put anything inside our car. No go put nothing inside the car. No go put anything inside.
Don't joke with me.
Don't joke with me.
I'm listening.
Stop pushing him.
See, not every youth you see on the road is a fraudster.
Busted them.
There are hard-working youths out there. There are youths making 6 figures. No, they outdated. That may be the problem.
Don't mind them.
Anything.
How can you be responsible with this kind of hair?
Okay, no, it's going to touch me for it now. I go tell that for you. Now, wow, okay, no there, so now because we dress like this, we don't turn criminal for this.
Don't mind them.
How person will not be criminal?
Okay, go home.
Don't hurt him with that thing.
No touch him.
You go wound me.
No touch him.
In fact, bring your food. Eh? Bring.
In fact, let me call somebody now. Chill, let me call somebody.
Bring your phone.
Go and leave her.
Hey, don't make any call this.
Are you mad?
If I give my phone, man, die.
That's stupid. Una don't keep us here, oh! Hey! Hey! Una keep us here! Una don't keep this innocent guy don't die. Hey! Hey! You see, sir? You know what this guy they do? Sir, killer! Sir, killer! Alpha, where you talking about this one? Get off! Get off! This fine boy, oh, na fine boy. And a person husband, oh! That's impressed! William! This is my husband! William! This is my husband! Somebody help me, please! Somebody please help me! William, I swear to God, if you wake up now, I would never knock you again! I would never fight with you again! I swear in the name of God! William! Oh my God, why? Somebody come here! I'm not gonna do it! Again, no.
Hold on, this man. Hold on. Okay, go station. You don't break the gun.
You can't. See, I'm running late, eh? I'll see you immediately I come back.
No, wait. Just like that.
Which one is just like that? Scatter here!
Sir, forgive me my phone, eh? And my prick cut.
Action!
Wait.
Cut.
Big character. Action.
Action! Cut. Let's go back. Sorry.
Hi guys, it's your boy Uzi Efizi. Thank you very much for watching this content, and please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Again, this content is an inspiration from the NSAS protest. I lost a friend, I lost a brother who was killed because of stray bullets. The inability of the police force to notice what is happening around them got someone killed. You understand? So this content is still a movement about the NSAS, end police brutality in Nigeria. And guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe and make sure you like, comment and share this message. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Wait, and again, thanks to xploit creators. Is it creators? Thanks to xploit comedy for making this a reality. You know, everybody had to put in work all the way from where? Anyway, but guys, don't forget, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Waka.